Hello boys and girls. Today is Wednesday, January 31, 2018, 45 degrees in Dallas, 12:27 today. It's sunny out and I've gotten about halfway. This is my halfway point. So let me just start. Here's the front, which I've had to reference a few times because I have the unit apart still. But let me show you. Here's that end. Who cares? It's just got all. There's the back of it. Okay. Actually, that's the. It's a 950H that I'm working on. Okay. See that right there? Hopefully. All right. So there's the battery compartment. All right. Again, that's just a better picture. Okay. And here's the ACN and DC 9-volt in. Okay. Here's the top. All right. Here's the bottom. You know what? I need to go back and point out something before I get through these pictures. The tape counter is there, but the little button for it is not there. Okay, it's not there, so it's not going to work. Alright, so let me race along to where I was. That's the bottom. Okay, here you need to use a, I didn't have the exact right tool, but I found the Torx that would fit to remove that. So. And this right here, this little bar, is one of the biggest problems with after you get all the screws out. You have to have this pushed back like it's in the closed position before you can remove the cassette deck from the chassis. Alright, so I just point that out. That's a little secret there. These are the screws I took out. I popped it open, looks like that. Okay. And then that's just the antenna wires. The power leads, really important to know that it's red to the outside and negative to the inside. Okay, and just more, that's where the other antenna wire is, and then that's what it looks like there, like that. Okay, here's just, again, that picture. And then just here's where the other antenna wire goes. It goes right down here on this motherboard. Okay. And then just trying to show good. Okay, so now here's just a full view of the inside back. And again, just power supply picture. And then again, here's the DCN. You know, it's red to the outside and black to the inside. Okay. Alright, then that's just a picture of that side. That's a flash picture. Okay, here's a picture from the top. And another picture and another picture. I guess I'm just, okay, I'm just trying to make sure of where the screws go for when I do remove them, like, well, I can't remember. Okay. And another, you know, big overview picture, like I took this screw out and there's a screw here to remove and there's this screw to remove, and just here I'm pointing with a screwdriver that I removed that screw and that bracket, and I need to remove this screw. I thought I did, but anyway, that's how I did that. Use those magnetic catches mounts. Here I'm pointing to something that I don't think I got a very good picture of, but okay, these are the screws that I had to take out from the side, top, and whatnot to get the chassis out. This is another chassis screw on the end here. And this is, you know, I have the service manual for this, so I had to use this, but, you know, it's not exact to this model. And here's another screw I removed, which I don't know what that does. It was just one little short screw. Okay. Just another view of stuff. Let's see here, I can't remember. Alright, okay, this, here we are at 0:12 hours or midnight. Finally discovered why I couldn't remove the case. This one screw going, which is a long screw as opposed to all the rest of them being half as long as that one. Okay, and then I had to unsolder this wire from the speaker. It doesn't do anything, it's just like a ground. So here it is, finally flopped open. Yay. And then just, you know, can't take enough pictures. So here's the inside of it. It's Anyway, speakers, okay. And here is the, like I said, I showed off the broken one. Here's the new one I hope to replace it with, although I'm looking at it now and it might not be the right thing because I'm not so sure about, anyway. And just another view of, you know, that's, let's see, here's my new one, and there's the microphone, and there's the one that's broke off. Alright, so, and also, well, it didn't show in this picture, okay. I had to remove the headphone jack. This is the two screws to hold the door dampener in place, which those are the screws that go to it, so I know which ones they are because they're flatheads. And then here I'm just, let's see, there's no belt. Okay, no belt. Then another view of what? Okay, again, this is just, I'll show you some more better of that in a moment. It's just how what screws go there. Those screws, machine threads, mind you, round tops. Okay, here's the old motor and the belt. Yes, you like that, don't you? Isn't that belt just wrapped around the bottom side of that motor? Just making sure the orientation of the motor to the bracket is right. Yeah, look at that belt. It's just all around that motor. Isn't that gross? Alright. Here's the belt I took out and how I got it out with a little pick, and it's still dirty, but anyway. The belt I took out was approximately 3 millimeters in width. Okay, so I'm just trying to show that here. You got that idea. And then here is what? Okay, this screw, alright, this black flathead screw, which is a plastic thread, and this one over here are the two screws that hold this entire metal bracket in place, which is also how you remove, anyway, so that's, when you take those two screws out, you gain access to the little belt that you need there. Okay, and then here's just another view of up underneath, and you need a belt to go from here to there. Alright, I cleaned those belt pathways, and just another overall picture. Okay, and then here I'm just trying to measure from the center, or well, roughly. So I ended up needing about well, I'll show you in a moment. I used this size belt to put into, for the secondary belt. That's what I used, okay? Then here I'm measuring to see what size flat belt I need in a 3 millimeter width size. Alright, so there it is. Now, here's a belt I tried, 4.5 inch, that's too small. I placed it over here to see what it looked like. I actually tried to put it in, that was too small. Then I tried a 5.5 inch belt, and that was looking like that, and that was too big, okay? So then I ended up with a 5-inch belt, okay? It's just, you know, about that big. That's what I put in there, and that's what it looks like. And here it is installed, yay! So, let's see here, so now and then here's just a view, and I'm just trying to show that well, that's a fuzzy one, okay. Here's a better picture with my headlight on my head, and so there's the secondary belt, okay, driven above the main flywheel belt, okay, and then that should be it. Nope, yeah, that was it. Okay, so if it won't do this, well, I just have to, well, no. I guess I go here. That's what I use. Okay, so just, actually I need to go, here, let me just kill out of here. What am I, yeah, that's what I want. I want this. So, open with that. Alright, I need to see. Okay, so what I want to do now is, how much time have I spent on this film? I don't know. Well, here, let's just, let's white out. Here, where's our remote? Here's our remote, okay. Like like I said, I still have this thing apart. Got my headset going. Dr. Pierce. Yeah, okay. So, here it is. Like I said, it's still apart. I'm going to just briefly try and play you a cassette that I have in here. Alright, so here we go. That was the end of that song. Let's see here. I can't change the volume or do anything, but I just wanted to let you know that this does play a cassette. It doesn't play exactly the right side, a little bit slow, but it is playing it, and the belt's not popping off or anything, so I just wanted to let you see that, hear that. Let me turn it off. I don't want to sell that music. The cassette just fell down. Alright, so that's where I'm at. I'm having way too much fun here. Take the camera off of here. Alright, so that's what it looks like right now. I still have to, this is not going to work ever again. I may be able to still mount it, but it's missing the little push deal for, you know, zeroing it out and such. And I had the, here we go. Here is the 20k ohm 20k ohm volume control that I'm going to try and put on here, but I'm not so sure that it'll work because it might need anyway, it's too hard to do all this. Alright, so it's been 12 minutes. Okay, well, like I said, I've got it working, playing. I can't adjust the volume until I replace that, and that's all I know. I'm gonna probably try that's all I know. Okay, so good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. I gotta keep working on this. Bye-bye.